Welcome! We are going to graph a linear equation by making a table of values. Let's go! When you have x and y on the same side of the equation and some number is on the other side, your equation is written in standard form. So to graph this kind of equation, make a table of values. So let's draw a table of values right here. Very good. We'll have x here, y, and then we will have an ordered pair, x, comma, y. Very good. Now let's pick an easy number for x. For example, 0. We're gonna take 0 and plug it in the equation, and we will find the corresponding value for y. Let's do it. So put 0 for x into the equation. You will have 0 minus y equals 5. Now let's calculate the corresponding value for y. So what do we have in front of y? It's like -1 times y, right? So our equation becomes -1 times y equals 5. But we need to know what y is. So what do? We will divide both sides by -1. So -1y divided by -1, we will have y, and on the other side, 5 divided by -1, we will have -5. Very good, so we got our first ordered pair. Let's write the coordinates, starting with x first. So the x coordinate is 0, the y coordinate is -5, and then we will plot this point to make a line. Okay, very good. So, but one point is not enough. We need to have at least 2 points to graph a line. So let's pick another point. How about we pick 0 for y? So let's pick 0 for y. We will take 0 and plug it in for y in the equation, and we will calculate the corresponding value for x. Very good. So let's write that equation. X minus, we are putting 0 where y is. So 0 equals 5. So x minus 0 becomes just x, and on the other side we have 5. So we got it right away. X equals 5. So we got a second ordered pair. Let's write the coordinates. 5, comma, 0. Very good. Let's pick another point as a confirmation to make sure that our points are lined up. So for example, let's pick 2 for x. So we're gonna take 2 and plug it in where x is in the equation. So 2 minus y equals 5. And we are going to find the corresponding value for y. So we're gonna subtract 2 from both sides, right? In order to get y by itself, 2 minus 2 will be 0. We will have negative y equals 5 minus 2 is 3. But we know that in front of y we have -1. So we will divide both sides by -1. -1y divided by -1 will be y. And on the other side we'll have -3. Let's write the coordinates. 2, -3. Very good. I love it. So we got 3 points. Let's plot them and then let's draw a line. So the first point is 0, -5. So 0 for x, -5. Look, it's a special point right on the y-axis. Let's plot the second point, 5, 0. So 5 is the x coordinate, and then y coordinate is 0. So it's right on the x-axis, another special point. I'll tell you in just a second. So the third point is 2, -3. So x coordinate is 2, -3. So we go down right here. So it looks like all 3 points lined up. So we did a good job. So let's draw a line. Very good. So let's draw a line through the points. Very carefully. Very good. This is my line. Very good. So look at this. You see where the line crosses the x-axis? This point is called x-intercept. X-intercept. Okay? You see the point where the line crosses the y-axis. This point is called the y-intercept. Very good. So you know about these 2 special points. So this is how you graph a line by making a table of values. Hope to see you next time!